Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to put a text behind a person in Capcut. First of all, open up the Capcut app. Once you get into Capcut, click to add a new project. Then make a copy of the video you want to add the text in. After that, add a video which has text in it and put all the videos together. Then tap on the copied video and click to make its overlay. After that, add the text video as an overlay. Now adjust the copied video under the original video length. Repeat the same process with the text video. After that, tap on Copied Video and click the Cutout option from the editing bar. Then tap to remove its background. Now click on Text Video and tap on the Blend button from the editing bar. And choose the Lighten option from Blend. Then, click on the Layer option from the editing bar and choose the first option from one or two options. Now, zoom out the text frame on your video. After that, click to play the video, and as you can see, the text is now at the back of your original video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.